We started the Longboarding Club, I did, about, I guess, 4 years ago. I picked up a longboarding and skateboarding book, like how to make it, how to make everything from scratch. So we have everything from the board shape, the construction, the sanding, what the patterns they want to put on it.
We spent a while designing through 3 or 4 of these sessions.
I just thought it'd be like a fun opportunity to like be able to make a longboard, because normally the materials would be like really expensive otherwise.
Like I already take like the advanced engineering class. I really like building stuff.
They're going to be doing every single thing on the longboard. They get to learn how to use all the tools, they get to do all the drilling.
We'll put a protective shellacking on it, and then we'll put on grip tape, the wheels, everything else that you'd normally see on a skateboard.
This is like the first opportunity that I can actually like make my own and use it.
I just want to get them outside. I want to get them outside and exploring and get off their phones.
I mean, I've never really messed or built with one of these before at all, so but overall I'm pretty happy with it.